Oh my gosh, they're here. My oracle cards are here. I'm so excited about this, and I'm so nervous to open them. I have been using oracle cards, I don't know, let me think about this, 35 years maybe. I don't know how you guys, if you're listening to this, I don't know how you feel about oracle cards, angel cards, tarot cards. Obviously, tarot cards were the original divination deck created. Well, I won't get into the whole history of all of it, but the suit of playing cards came out of the tarot deck. It consists of these 4 suits, and then it's major arcana, minor arcana, and it's a story. It tells a story. And there was a point where I think people, visionaries and different teachers, wanted to start to create their own divination decks that weren't in the format, let's say, of the tarot deck. It's quite extensive and lengthy. So there's these smaller decks that started to pop up, and some of the ones I use a lot that I love. This is one that I use. These deck right here by Kyle Gray. The Angels and Ancestors cards. These are card deck or oracle deck that I use a lot. This other one deck that I love are Jamie Sam's medicine cards, and they're the animal medicine cards. I know a lot of people have been using these for a long time. My newest oracle deck that I really love is this the Shaman's Dream, and it has a lot of really interesting things. So these are some of the ones that I keep out that I work with on a daily basis, and I wanted to, well, let me back up. I've always wanted to create an oracle deck. I had something that I called Own cards, and they were these really little cards at the yoga studio, and they just had like a word like resolve or meditation or patience, things like that. And for a long time, I just had them at a table at the yoga studio, and people would come in before class and they would just pick one, and kind of, it was always the right one. The thing that I heard all the time from people was it was always what they needed to hear. It was always informative, and it was just a word, and it was no description, nothing. So I thought about doing something with those and making more of them. And you know, over the years, things, you just get busy, you do other things, so I put them away. But then I have my doctoral thesis that's being published. It's the Modern Mystics Wheel of the Year. A multi-faith path to living in harmony, because as you know, I'm a doctor of ministries for an interfaith seminary, and we study various different faith traditions. And in addition to the faith traditions that we studied in seminary, there are different pagan religions that I've studied intensely for 30 years, 25, 30 years. So I have a broader understanding of what spiritual traditions are. So I had this capstone project, my thesis, which was this Wheel of the Year and living in harmony with a different faith tradition each month, linked to a chakra, linked to practices, linked to a theme of the month. And in reworking that, that's coming out in November. I'm really excited about it because it's a way that I think spotlights a lot of my teaching, but it also gives people a way to look at the year. And you can start mid-year, or you can start at the beginning of the year. But if you start in the beginning of the year, if you start in January, then it'll take you through a journey, and you'll be able to follow the different themes of each month and carry through different heartfelt intentions and work. It can be a really transformative journey. in doing that, my good friend Susie, who helps me publish my books and is an amazing graphic artist, she said, hey, did you think about doing an oracle deck with it? And we were already working on a workbook for it. So this Modern Mystic Wheel of the Year is a book. Then I'm also going to have a workbook. So it has journaling prompts and chakra recipes and all kinds of really cool things. And then this oracle deck idea came up, and I said, oh my gosh, yeah, this feels like the right time to put an oracle deck together. So I really spent a long time working this. So this is the first run. I did a small run because I wasn't sure how many, I don't want to invest a big amount of money if I don't have a lot of people interested in them yet, but I can always run more. And I also wanted to see how they came out with this printer, and if I like this printer, I'll work with them more. They're based in Colorado. I found some amazing printers with some amazing box options, but they were located in Asia. And unfortunately, shipping these days from places like that, it would have added on like $400. And that would have made the cost of the cards ridiculous. So, wanting to kind of keep them at a good price, Oracle decks can be anywhere from like 40 cards to 60 cards, something like that. So mine are 55 cards. And I just wanted I wanted to not have it be a really hugely expensive thing, because the hope is that you'll buy the book, the workbook, and the oracle deck, and you'll do the whole thing. And if you do the whole thing, I'm hoping to have something that I can do with you, guide you. So I'm working on all that. There's a lot of moving pieces with this, as you could probably imagine. So this is the first peek at the oracle deck. I really hope they did what I told them to do. When you place an order for something, first time you work with a company, you just don't know. But I'm looking at oh my gosh. I like the box. I like the box. So this actually looks similar to the cover of the book. And this, I spent a lot of time making this wheel of the year, because it has, oh my God, it's got everything in it. It's got the month, the faith tradition, the Sabbats, the astrology within it, all in there. And then there's also moon phases, chakras. So this is the cover. The box looks amazing. I don't know where that light's coming from, but the box looks amazing. Oracle deck. Looks like and by the way, I not only designed all the cards, I designed the box. Designing the box is a whole thing. Looks pretty good. I have actually seen some boxes that don't look too great, and this is actually pretty good. I would have liked that over a little bit more, but guess what? The ends work really well. Like, that's all positioned really nicely. So, like, I don't know. Am I a graphic designer now? I made the box. So these are the box. And, oh my gosh. I bought 25. I didn't think that they were going to come enclosed. I thought I was going to have to put them all together. I'm stoked. Oh my gosh. It's less work that I thought I would have to do. So let me just read the back to you. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. These feel really good. Okay. Step into the wisdom of the wheel. The Modern Mystics Wheel of the Year Oracle deck is for those walking a path of harmony, devotion, and awakening. Within its turning, you'll find the Sabbats and months, the moon phases, the voice of the zodiacs, the hum of the chakras, and the archetypal keys that awaken the soul's remembering. This 55-card deck features one central keeper card, the Sankalpa, to anchor your sacred, heartfelt vow, along with 54 luminous cards weaving earth cycles, cosmic wisdom, and mystical truths. Each is a living portal rich in energy and symbolism, guiding you into deeper connection with yourself, spirit, and the world around you. Whether for daily reflection, seasonal ritual, or mystical exploration, this deck invites you to embrace your becoming and move forward with clarity, reverence, and radiant intention. Reverend Dr. Tracy L. Alshafer is the best-selling, award-winning author. Her book, The Modern Mystics Wheel of the Year, Multi-Faith Path to Living in Harmony, and its companion workbook are the inspiration for this deck, together forming a triad of transformation. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so moment of truth. The box looks great. They're stuffed. I don't have to stuff them myself. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh. All right. So the first thing is there is a guidebook. I'm going to pull that out first. Oh my gosh. 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 So the guidebook has the same cover. When you open it up, it has the introduction, how to use the Oracle deck, attuning to your deck. A lot of people don't think about how to attune to your deck. Readings, so there is a 1-card reading, a 3-card reading, and then a Wheel of Harmony. And then I go through each card. It has the imagery, the core essence, and then keywords. So this is the guidebook, and it really came out good. Oh my gosh. And I created this whole thing, this whole guidebook, along with the box. And here we go. When you take the cards out, oh, these look so good, and they feel so good. Oh my gosh. Do you want to see some? I'm not going to show you all of them. I'll give you a peek because I'm going to do something else. But this is the Sankalpa card, your heartfelt sacred vow. This one will stay with you. January, new beginnings. So the zodiac is involved with them. The flower and the crystal of the month. This is February, harmony. I don't know if you can see that, February harmony. Oh my gosh, these guys. You know what I like about these? Oh, and this is the back of every card. Little galaxy. And it's the same, I don't know if you can tell, it's the same backing that I use in all the books. So that'll be what it looks like on the back side. Oh my gosh. So you know what? I'm going to spend some time harmonizing with this deck and working with it now that I have the physical. And I'm going to have classes, and I'm going to have workshops and all kinds of things. And this is going to be, you know, there's a lot of things to focus on in the world, but everything comes back to our own inner work and our own personal journeys. And the idea behind this whole thing is that this is something that you can use for that, for your journey, something to help keep you on track and guide you. And whether that wants to be a solitary journey that you do on your own, or something that you want to do with me in a workshop type thing or classes, either way, gosh, guys, I'm stoked. All right, I'm gonna just open randomly. I haven't even like harmonized with this deck, but just to show you one card inside. Oh, of course, Christianity, grace. I love this card so much, and there is so much to talk about with this. Just feel it for a minute. Grace. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please post comments. I want to hear what are you thinking about all this? What are you excited about? What are you interested in? What do you want to know? What do you want to do? Do you want a Facebook group? Do you want a workshop? Do you want me to come to your place? I'm so excited. I can't even. Step 1, Oracle deck is here.